In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook account ownership and control option not showing. Let's get started. First, check the placement. For that, launch Facebook, navigate to the menu page. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now in this page, you're going to find the option account ownership and control. In case you didn't find it, you'll need to update your Facebook app first. So close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Facebook. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, report the problem. For that, launch Facebook, navigate to the menu page. Then scroll down, head over to the option Help and Support. Click on the option Report your problem. Click on the option Continue to report. Click on Don't include. Now here you're going to find different option. Select the option Profile. Now here, briefly explain about the issue that Facebook account ownership and control option is not available in your Facebook account and send it. With that, Facebook support team will get back to you. And that's it. These are some fixes for Facebook account ownership and control option not showing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.